Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get free VPN in Brave browser. So there are a couple of VPN that actually works for free here in Brave, and I'm going to show you the one that I have been constantly using. So I'm here right now in Brave, and I'm just going to go ahead and open the extensions here and then click visit web store. And then from here I'm just going to go ahead and type one-click VPN. So this is actually a free VPN that I use that is very convenient, and it works in a lot of browsers including Brave and Chrome. Alright, there you go. So it seems like we have installed this one, and we can go ahead and click this, and then I'm gonna click agree and continue. And yeah, that's US. If you're gonna click this one, there are a lot of different other locations there as well. So I can go ahead and click this one right here, and it's automatically going to connect me to the US. And there you go. So you have the IP and the surfing from IP. So that, everybody, is how you're going to get free VPN in Brave browser.